everybody, I am back and I'm gonna start 2023 on a positive note. So if you guys know me, I have started a weekly cleaning. I've done this a couple times, but I just can't keep up with it. I was doing it for a couple months and it worked out so good. Mentally, it helped me so much. A lot of you guys were giving me positive vibes about it, and it is time that I need to get it done. So today is the, I don't know, the 5th or the 6th. It's Friday. But I am going to start fresh this Monday on organizing and cleaning and getting my house back to normal. I've gone through a couple things over the last month that I just haven't been able to keep up with everything. I lost my cat. Christmas was happening. I had a craft fair. I have an extremely, very successful Etsy shop that takes a lot of my time, and I got super swamped that I had to shut it down. But this year we're gonna really get things done. One thing is, my cat is no longer alive. We had put her down last week, or no, this week, but the reason why I was holding back on doing stuff because I didn't want to leave stuff out in the open because she had a tendency of peeing on stuff. She finally did stop peeing on stuff for a couple months, but I just didn't want to leave the doors open. So that was one thing that was really stopping me from doing that, because every time I was going to get stuff out, she'd have an accident. So now I can go full on and do all this stuff. Another thing is, I am now on new medication. I feel like for a while there I was all over the place, and this medication helps me kind of focus, because I am ADD. I can't keep focusing on the same thing, but I feel like the medicine has helped me. So what I'm gonna do today is just kind of walk through the house with you guys and show you what I want to get done for this year. I'm gonna start working on all my cleaning starting Monday. So the first thing, if you guys want to do this, is you want to get a planner. I really like the bigger planners. If I find something different on like clearance, I might go ahead and get something like that, but right now this is all I have. So this is a planner that I have. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I really like the bigger ones, I'm gonna tell you guys that. But one thing I do like is it has a lot of blank pages. So it has like the calendar in it. So like here is March. So here's March right here. This is my regular calendar, okay? And then like you go to the next page and then it goes by the weeks, and that's one thing I absolutely love about planners. So what you guys will want to do is, if you are in the same group that I am in, where you just need help or you're overwhelmed, I've done this and it's helped me a lot. Now, I'm a person where I have this to do, 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 and then I get overwhelmed and I can't do it. I've told myself to stop doing that. Stop doing that. Take it one day at a time. And we can do that. We can take it one day at a time. I'm also going to be helping my friend. She is in dire need of helping her clean her basement and her laundry room, and I says, yes, I will help you, and I will be vlogging and showing you guys what we do, but she's gonna help me, and it's a good thing. But what I need to do is I need to just declutter. I need to declutter, and I need to kind of just get rid of a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys all that stuff I did for the past couple months have pretty much gone away. The only thing that I've been really good at is keeping my kitchen table pretty clean. My kids have been we've been using it like crazy. So that is nice that I do have the kitchen table cleared off. Now, my kitchen is a non-going thing. I spent hours one day just kind of cleaning it up, and we're gonna keep at it with just everything, and I'm gonna really drill it in my husband's head that we have to get everything cleaned up. Now, I did spend a good time cleaning out my cabinet. It's kind of a little bit messy again, but it's better than what it was, and we're gonna keep it at that. Another thing I really did a good job was organizing this, and this has been somewhat organized, which I do like. So we got that going on. So the thing I really need to work on is the kitchen and the living room. When you walk in my house, this is what you see. This is what you see. I am taking my Christmas decorations down today. I just been swamped. I haven't been able to do it. but I'm gonna work on getting all of this out of here. Eventually all the toys are gonna get out of here too. We just took our Christmas tree down, so we have like an empty spot right here. Another thing I want to eventually do is work on my desk area. So that is another project that I want to do, is organize my desk. Now we're gonna go down to the basement. So one thing I did do for a video was clean my steps, and I've been very good at keeping that. I did kind of clean up this area a little bit, but I want to move this craft spot and just make this all food area into the basement. But first I'm going to show you guys in the basement. Now please don't judge me. I said I need help, and when you have a husband that just puts everything in things and then just sort of shoves it down, shoves it down, shoves it down, shoves it down, it just gets packed up. Now a lot of this stuff does go underneath our steps. The reason it's all out is because we are putting our Christmas decorations away, so we had to take stuff out to put our Christmas decorations away in the back. So this is underneath my steps. I do have a lot of paper products and all that stuff, but here is my basement, you guys. Like, this is beyond ridiculous. It's so bad. I haven't seen it this bad since my basement flooded. So I'm planning on getting rid of half the toys down here. Like this thing my kids don't play anymore. I just want to get rid of it. I just want to get rid of it. This is a childhood toy of mine. I'm actually going to just pack this underneath the steps again. But this is my video area, this is my craft area, and this is something that just severely needs to be redone. I want to get bookshelves, and I want to put them along that wall, and I'm going to actually get something where I can pull down my video screen thing, so when I do record my videos you won't see it. I want to put all in each, I want to categorize every single craft that I have and put them in little bins. So that is something that I want to do. I'm gonna get rid of half of my crafts. Like, I use my bling stuff and I absolutely love blinging. I just don't make a profit off of it anymore, so I'm actually thinking of selling all of my bling stuff. I hate to say it, but I might be getting rid of it all just because I spent too much money buying it and I'm not selling stuff, so there's no point for me doing it. So this is something that has to be truly organized, put away, and I plan on selling a lot of my craft supplies, and I'm going to be selling them locally unless I have to sell them online, but we will see. This is where I keep my stockpile stuff at, you guys, and I've been slacking at putting all this stuff away. So this needs to be organized 100%. It just really needs to be organized 100%. And like I said, I don't have time for stuff, but I'm gonna pick a subject a day and work on it. So I really want to do it. Now my laundry room furnace is on right now, or my basement furnace is on, but this room is ridiculous too. I want to get rid of a lot of stuff. I do have my stockpile stuff down here. I want to organize my stockpile stuff a little bit better. But this is something that we're truly going to work on, is this stuff. We're gonna really just, if I have to move some of these bins, I might move them to this wall, and we will see. I might just take everything out. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this room severely needs help, and I have to work on it and get rid of a lot of stuff. Now the TV area is usually not that bad. This is a Christmas tree. I can't put it down until we put everything else away, but I want to get this area a little picked up. I want to make this our little movie room where we can sit down. I got some blankets, I got some pillows for us, but I'm gonna work on this. So this room, like I said, needs the most help. It is the most neglected room of the house, but like I said, if I kind of work little by little by little by little, it'll get done, and I'm giving myself a whole year. So I will be documenting all of this stuff. I will be showing you guys weekly what I do. I think I'm gonna take a before and after photos and all that stuff so I can see what I have done. I'm hoping to donate a ton of stuff. I'm hoping to sell a ton of stuff. I just want this to be a very good year of getting things straight. Now my laundry room is not that bad. Paris's stuff was all in here, so now since she's gone, I don't need to keep we actually got rid of a lot of her stuff already. But this stuff needs to get organized, and we still got cat food and stuff. This area needs to be organized. This area needs to be better organized. So this is going to be another day's project that I'm gonna do. A lot of you guys have suggested other YouTubers to watch, and if you guys have any other YouTubers that you want me to watch, please let me know, because when I watched Marie Kondo, I felt really, really, you want me to push play? I felt really like, wow, like she really helped me. So I plan on doing that. So now we're gonna go upstairs. So I usually don't keep stuff on the stairs. I have been, but I haven't. But we had a party, so we ended up taking it, everything, and just putting it up here. So gotta get rid of everything on the steps, okay? I also have a ton of frames, or a ton of pictures, and some of the pictures have fallen off the walls. Some of them don't have pictures in them. I want to fix that. I want to get that figured out, and I want to put pictures in here. There's my precious Paris. I absolutely love her, but this is something that I want to get done. Again, here's another picture of Paris. Now, Charlotte's room is ridiculous. I've cleaned this up, and I've cleaned it up, and I've cleaned it up, and she pulls everything out. So I have to get rid of a lot of her clothes that don't fit her anymore. Her room is on the smaller side, so this is another day's project that I'm going to work on, cleaning her room, getting rid of stuff. I'm going to get a box and put all the clothes that don't fit her on there and work on that. She's actually got a lot of storage space in the closet that doesn't get used up, but we're going to work on it. We're going to, sorry Charlotte, I'm sorry honey. We're going to get it organized, okay? Ben's room. Ben is now in that space where he doesn't want little kid stuff anymore. He wants bigger kid stuff. So one day, I had all these Hot Wheels things up in his room, and he just went and took them down and threw them on the floor. I had books, he took them off his shelf and threw them on the floor. This room was clean up until like 2 weeks ago, and then he just decided he doesn't want any of this stuff because he's too cool. So again, I'm going to spend a day or so in here, and I'm getting rid of all of his toys in here. He's got toys. He hasn't touched in years, and I'm just going to put them in a bin, either sell, donate, throw away. That's all I'm going to do. He has his name. I hand painted this. I'm actually going to take this off the wall. I'm going to sell it. And then we got him some posters of Mario and Pokemon. I actually going to go to Hobby Lobby, or I'm going to see what Walmart has too, and get him some frames for his posters. So that's a thing I'm going to do. But like I said, he just literally just dumped everything out. Everything out, he just dumped. I mean, there's a lamp on the floor. He had so much artwork on his walls, and he just threw them right here on the floor. He just throws crap on the floor. So this is going to go by 100%. The books, kids have so many books, I'm getting rid of 50% of the books that we have. I'm getting rid of 50% of the books that we have. Now, Grandma and I's bedroom is not that bad. It's actually not that bad. Ben's more Ben's artwork, but I want to get this more 100% cleared off. So I'm going to get this cleaned off. I want to get that corner cleaned up for all that stuff. Now, another thing I've been really wanting to do is organize my closet. Now, here's my closet, you guys. Here is my closet. It's somewhat folded, it's somewhat not. I actually want to take every single shirt off of the rack. I want to make a pile. I want to have a summer, or like t-shirts, and I want to have long sleeves. I want to put like my Christmas shirts in one pile. I want to put my Halloween stuff in one pile. Graham's is actually not that bad. His size is not that bad. We keep our shoes here. For a while there, Paris was peeing in here, so I have to like make sure everything is up to par. Now this is our second closet, and again, I love lounge clothes. I'm sorry you guys, but I just love lounge clothes. But here we have a lot of stuff. Now we have our suitcases. Now I can fit some of the suitcases inside the suitcases, and I plan on doing that, and maybe getting some kind of like bins or something to put other crap in. But this is something that I'm honestly gonna do, is take everything apart and put it all back together. Now, here is my bathroom. My bathroom, remember I cleaned my whole countertop? Yeah, it's all back to normal again. But you guys will be proud of me. I actually just organized all of my feminine care products. This was a complete disaster. I had boxes that were empty, and all that stuff. So I just did this right before I filmed and spent 10 minutes organizing this, and this is what I plan on doing. Picking one subject at a time and organizing this. Now I might get some shelves so this doesn't take up the whole space. I might get like a 2-tiered shelf or something. And just put the totes on that. But this is something that I really look forward to cleaning up. Now this one's not as bad, but I kind of want to just organize it just a little bit. Now here is my closet, and I've done this in the past couple years ago. I actually organized this. I got bins from the Dollar Tree and I really organized it, but guess what, you guys? It needs to be updated again. So here is my closet right here. And I'm gonna try to find some like maybe 2-tiered bed, something. I've seen stuff where you can actually like hook stuff up and you can put stuff underneath. But I plan on organizing this. Like here I was putting all my shampoo and conditioner in this bin. This one I was putting all of my body wash. I'm gonna start doing the empties again, so I gotta empty some of my other stuff. But this again is another day's project that I plan on working at. So I do have a lot of work to do, you guys. And yes, I am a stay-at-home mom. Yes, I am. Yes, I do YouTube. I don't do it full-time like I used to, but I do YouTube. Yes, I do Etsy. I do Etsy full-time. From the minute I wake up to the time I go to bed, I am working on my Etsy stuff. Now, Ben, this is my hallway. Can you like shut lights off when you leave a room? Ben just put all these bins in here. These were purple. Where'd you put it? Okay, go get it. Ben just does this. He just puts crap here because he doesn't want it in his room anymore. This is the kids' bathroom. I want to kind of make it into a theme. And then this is our little linen closet. That's actually been clean. My mom came in and helped me with it a couple weeks ago, and that's actually been in perfect condition. So that is what is going on right now. Don't judge me, you guys, but I want to take you on this journey that we're gonna get stuff done. My family's gonna help me. I'm also making a chore chart for Charlotte and Ben. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it, but I am gonna make a chore chart for the children, and they're gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do something with plexiglass and my Cricut machine. So we're gonna work on that, where if they do so much stuff, they can get an allowance a week. So we're gonna work on that. If I do something like that, I will definitely make a video and show you guys that. Don't throw stuff down the stairs, you're gonna break it, honey. But that, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up on what's going on with my crazy life. But you're gonna help me, I will help you guys. Like I said, if you guys have any motivation, please let me know. But I want to get my house to normal. I want to be where anybody can come over to my house and I don't have to feel embarrassed. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do less spending. Now for that, less spending, I do my couponing stuff, okay? A lot of that stuff I have a garage sale and I sell some of that stuff. I do use a lot of it, or I give it away. I'm gonna plan on donating more food items, more stuff, so it doesn't go to waste. I plan on helping more people out, and a lot of that stuff. I do buy stuff for like 90% hauls, but I'm gonna really start buying stuff that I truly need, or like clothes is something you need. But like little things here and there, I'm really gonna try to help myself on not buying stuff. I'm also gonna try to cut back on craft supplies. So you guys are gonna help me. Let's get this journey together, done, and I will see you guys ready. There won't be a video next week because I will be recording, so I'm gonna have the videos maybe about a week or two behind. So in the next couple weeks, you guys will see me post more videos on organization. So I hope you guys have an awesome new year, and let's start 23 as an awesome decluttered year, and thanks for watching.